Welcome to Unlocking the Secrets of Astrophotography, a beginner's guide. Astrophotography can seem daunting, but with the right tips, it's easier than you think. Tip 1. Choose the right equipment first. You'll need the right equipment. A DSLR or mirrorless camera works best. A sturdy tripod is essential. Wide-angle lenses are great for capturing vast skies. Start with a 14mm to 24mm lens. Tip 2. Find a dark location. Next, find a dark location. Light pollution is your enemy. Apps like Light Pollution Map can help you find the perfect spot. Tip 3. Use manual settings. Set your camera to manual mode. Adjust the ISO to 1600 or higher. Set the aperture to its widest setting. Experiment with shutter speed. Start with 20 seconds and adjust as needed. Tip 4. Focus on infinity. Focusing can be tricky. Set your lens to manual focus. Then, focus on a bright star or distant light. Shot of focusing the camera on a bright star. Tip 5. Composition is key. Think about your composition. Include interesting foreground elements like trees or mountains. The rule of thirds can help create balanced shots. Tip 6. Post-processing. Finally, post-processing is crucial. Software like Adobe Lightroom can enhance your images. Screen recording of editing a photo in Lightroom. Adjust exposure, contrast, and color balance to bring out the best in your shots. Bonus tip: be patient. Bonus tip: be patient. Great astrophotography takes time and practice. Time lapse of a photographer working through the night. Don't get discouraged if your first shots aren't perfect. A breathtaking astrophotography image. With these tips, you're ready to unlock the secrets of astrophotography. Happy shooting! Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.